Hello guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please kindly click on the subscription button, all right, to join the family. So on this video, I'm going to be analyzing just the crypto. I'll be doing another video for the synthetic and for the forex. But on this video, I'm gonna be analyzing the crypto, which is BTC and Ethereum. So let's write down into the video without wasting much of our times. And if you notice, price, I'm currently right now on BTC on the 24 hours time frame. If you notice what BTC is doing on the 24 hours time frame here, if you notice what BTC is doing, this is the recent highs that price created here. If you notice, price created is high, which price is trending up to go and meet. Once price head back to this particular high, which is going to drop back down, which high is that? Which is 109. Price will be heading back to 109. It's possible because currently now price was on downtrend and now price just changed character. This is an equal low. They call it also the FCC SMC traders, they call it this a liquidity zone. You understand? Price pushing up, creating a high here, small lows, and then went up to these highs, created the highs, created the lows, and then giving us an uptrend move. This is when you can discover that price is currently an uptrend. So what are you looking for? What are your main focus as a trader when analyzing? Because now if you're analyzing, you have to be very focused while analyzing so that you won't make mistake. All right, so what are your analysis? Your analysis is, if you look at this now, this is a massive push to the upside, right? So this is the only low price created, right, that took out these highs, which is going up. So if price is making a retracement, it will have to retrace all back. If it's making a retracement, it has to retrace all back to this low before continuation of the buyers. All right. If there are retracement because expecting price to come back to this high, then you can take a little bit short back to 90. This is an equal high telling us that it's shooting back up. So once you go back to 92, it's gonna shoot back very high because this is an equal low here telling us that price is currently going up. So all we just have to do is to join the uh buyers as well to go up with the price because BTC is now trending up. All right, so if you go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price is doing at the 4 hours time frame, notice price created multiple rejections on this particular zones, and then this is my confirmation candlestick that rejection patterns that price is no longer going down, and then give us a multiple rejections here, which push out this a huge momentum breakout, and then this is a retracement, and then pushing up to this highs telling us that price is actually heading back up. All right. So all what we have to do now is to just mark out this little small low here that price created. And then if this low is being broken, you notice our price will set back to this particular zone and then push back again. Price is currently an uptrend. All right. And this is the main zone. If price didn't retrace any zones and then just trend back and then let's say hit back here, let's say hit back here and then continuously it's uptrend and then come back to this particular zone, then you can look for a short sell that will hit the price back to this particular low. Exit, wait for price to give you another sell opportunity. You join the buyers, the sellers. If it doesn't give you a sell and then continuously buying, then join the buyers when it have taken up this high because this is the highest level that it have given, which has a momentum of pulling the price down as well. All right. So when broken, it's telling that the buyers are heavily in the market. BTC is gonna spike up. I should join the buyers. You can buy BTC and then hold for long. So if you go down to the 1 hour time frame to see what the price is doing, you notice on the 1 hour time frame there are rejections on this particular low, which I mark here. So price is trending back to this low. Definitely, yeah. If you go back to this low and then give you a retracement, you are currently going back up. All right. So like I draw it here. So once this low is broken, it's telling that BTC is trending back to this particular zones, all right, before any retracement again. So this is it on BTC. Wait for price to give you a retracement, and this is the highest level here that it have given us. So if you want to join the buyers when this high is being taken out. So once this high is taken out, its price is able to come here, give you a retracement. What are your retracement levels? A double bottom and then shoot back up. It can give you a head and shoulder pattern, can then continuously going back up. So for those of us that are familiar with double bottom, you can use it on this particular zone. If you are familiar with head and shoulder pattern, those are reversal candlestick patterns. So if you are not familiar with any, or you are a newbie, you don't know anything, you are not familiar with any, you can get a book, a copy of my book here, which have a candlestick Bible. So a copy of my book here has a candlestick Bible and strategy as well to help you to analyze everything. All right. So this is it. Wait for price to break and then retrace. You continuously joining price back to this high because it has a long way to go back up again. So you can then look for a buying opportunity on this particular zone. This is a continuation of the buyers because how this high is currently broken. So price can make a retracement or back. This is supply zone here. Demand zone here. Price can retrace and then continuously going back up. So this is it, guys. If we go down to let's not waste much time on this. You can go down to the lower time frame which you want to analyze. Which you want to trade with. Are you a scalper? You can go down to your 1 minute, 5 minutes, and look for your entries. And then if you're a day trader, then go to your 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, which I stop to look for your entries. And then swing traders, 4 hours, that will be very nice for you as well. So we'll go down to 24 hours time frame on Ethereum USD. If you notice, Ethereum is massively going up. This is the buyer zone, telling us how the buyers are in the market. You know, say buyers. So what you have to do is to just mark out this low. This is when you can discover that price is actually heading back down, heading back up. So creating a highs, and then if you notice this is trend high that price created before breaking out this low here. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm talking about. If you're not understanding, uh, you can write it in the comment section so that once I'm explaining, I will talk about your opinion. All right. So this is it. Your this low price. Put this is the move that push out to break this low, and then giving us a breakout structure on this particular zone, telling us that the sellers are in the markets, and then price automatically changed. And then what happened? Price retraced, and then give us this small little high here, which price changed, and then took out with a momentum candlestick, try to retrace, and then boom, take out this high going to take out it have even taken out this high on this particular one. So telling us that price is actually heading back. So this is another high that haven't been taken out yet. So if you notice, this is a move. If you are trading a big move like the swing traders, you understand that this is a massive move that took out this low that took out this low. So you have to be smart while analyzing that took out this low. You see it. So this main low, this is a massive move that took out this low. So what price can do is to come back to this area of where the price made the massive move to break this low. And then if you give it a retracement, a pullback levels, then you can join the sellers back to this low. All right, to create an equal low. And if this high is broken and then giving you a break of a change of character on that particular zone, know that price is actually heading back down. All you have to do is to wait for price to come in because it's gonna come in back to this low that is created. So all you have to do is to draw the low back and then wait for price to hit it and then continuously heading back. Also, that is just it. You have to be very smart and logical when and trading. So you go down to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame now is giving a heavy move to the upside. So those that are trading the demand and supply, all they have to do is to just mark out this low because this is a massive push to the upside. So here is a zone where price can retrace on and then push back. So I like taking out this small little red candlestick that is here that leads to this massive push. So price will have to come into this particular zone and then before the buyers will continuously pushing up. And there's another zone here which has a momentum of pushing. But this is a zone, if you notice, there's a consolidation on this particular zone that leads to this massive push. So this massive push now, price after this massive push, if price can push up to that particular zone and then you see fine price it cannot just come straight, as for trading behave, it cannot just come straight to just try to deceive you. I want to go up, I want to go up, boom, then before it's continuously going. So you don't understand more, you have to pay attention, right, to what price is doing. Because once there's a momentum move like this, the retracement is not always momentum like this. There's just the logic you have to understand while trading. The retracement is always convincing. So you want to convince you going up, creating here, coming back again, want to convince you this is how it retraces after a momentum move. So, and if you figure out that this a secret I'm telling you guys, all right, that is why I always advise you guys to always stay to the end of the video because there are informations I always share. So if you notice price going up like this and then going up like this, going a consolidation, going up, and then hits a particular zone, your point of interest. Note that the retracement or the pullback will be straightforward like this, just as this one happened here. So if this is a straightforward move, retracement is always kind of confusing. So that's why if you are some people will just mark out this low, waiting for price to come here and then before they will join. So for those that are trading retracement, you just have to be very smart while trading retracement. All right. So and if you can go down to the 1 hour time frame and then to see search your entries, you see price pulling back, trying to create a pull here. So this is your area of interest. Price is coming in here for a sellers. So price can come in, retrace, and then push back up. Or this is a low as well on the 1 hour time frame that have an impact of retracing price. Price can come here and then hit back up here and then before continuously selling. But once this low is broken, you know that this is a change of character. Price will have to come back to this little high that it created here and then before continuously shooting down. So there's just the logic. Price breakout, it will just have to come to this little high created here and then continuously pushing back down. So this is it, guys. I believe you have learned something new from this video. So don't forget to share to your friends, click the subscribe button and comment your opinion if you have any opinion or any analysis or anything you want me to talk about for you, you can put it on the comment section, all right? So, and if you want a soft copy of my book, the Candlestick Bible, or TRSS, my strategy book, you can send me a DM using the link in my description button. You can find my WhatsApp number there, right? So DM me on WhatsApp. All right, so this is it, guys. Take care and bye for now. Don't forget to share to your friends. Also learn from the mistake that we all traders are making and also make money from this analysis. All right. So this is it. Take care and bye for now.